I refrain when nipa home. And so damn in Payane said, me remfi papa why me. It's your nigga Janya Sido. I refrain when nipa home. I dear back on a misrene said, me remfi papa why me. 1, 2, 3. I say me boom pom pom kosha mechi. Baby I'm me friend, baby I'm ready. Or therefore, one now better me on your way. I said me susu usu sisi. Stand back and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you.
That's right.
I said me boom pom pom kosha mechi. Baby I'm me friend, baby I'm ready. Or therefore, one now better me on your way. I said me susu usu sisi. Stand back and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you. Empty money, oh, money, oh. I don't throw a salute, yeah, money, oh, money, oh, money, oh. I jump into chamo, money, oh, hey, money, oh, money, oh. I don't throw a salute, yeah, money, oh, money, oh, money, oh. I jump into chamo, money, oh. So you held me close, so closer than a brother, so closer than a brother. Truth is, I gave up on myself, cause my back was against the wall, and it was on your nasa, yeah. But I gave you a call, and you answered my prayer at once. You made a way. But I gave you a call, you answered my prayer at once. You made a way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Me boom pom pom kosha mechi. Baby I'm me friend, baby I'm ready. Or therefore, one over to me away. Hey, I said me susu usu sisi. Stand back and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you. Empty money, oh, money, oh. Salute, yeah, money, oh, money, oh, money, oh. I jump into chamo, money, oh, hey, money, oh, money, oh. I don't throw a salute, yeah, money, oh, money, oh, money, oh. I jump into chamo. Money, oh, young hey, money, oh, money, oh, money, oh. I don't throw a salute, yeah, money, oh. And again, money, oh, money, oh, money, oh. I jump into chamo, money, oh. And again, money, oh, money, oh, money, oh. I jump into chamo, money, oh.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
I was here for me, Mamunina, and shame, Mamunina, ha. Michel Bia, we are say after Nina, live at BWF Solicitors, Facebook, and our YouTube platform. Also, Sir Oshe, Senia, Yashe, and Yama, a free the 1st of January, ABC, and one say, and Yama be brave, a cosso. Na any penina in the Yan say, and unti. And war Ghanaian community mu, war African Caribbean community mu, in the UK and all around the world, we are teaming up with BWF Solicitors. Say yebedanya miase. Nafi one no year juma all throughout the year so yede aseda amam. If we were recovering upon jumedi the community and the law. The community and the law and share BWF Solicitors ade amaye. Say yenewo entrance yenin komo emfa sanya emramu enema esi kroba bia wugina ewo emrane mu ena wankasa nso so kwan a obetimi afa so ade enema atoto yie na wankasa wo hunu se enema ekoyi ama. The community and the law ebaso memenda area bia between 4 and 6. BWF Solicitors omo ye info. Yes, I'm running, sir, preferred community lawyers. Our trusted partners when it comes to the law. Omo 214 to 218. Tottenham High Road, no so. Our Seven Sisters, North London. Monday to Friday. If we are not at 9:30, you could see a number 6 o'clock or year, Juma. What I say, AJ, one summer who do Nina, Titu, I was sitting more and summer or UK. Na the Biayana Meka, Namisiso, and Meka Kana, and what they say. So what they was some ebeja BWF solicitor, we not less than 95% success. Say yonkuja wo court. Say Ghana mra yenchasi emfanto to ya sita ho ewo UK ha. Ni nyina no BWF solicitors edimu akotepa. Ene memfa lawyer penny ba akope. And memfa another person in the community and also in the law firm memfa ma and de omu nyina ba. Say wo share busua bi ama odo and Obroni would say warmth a woman na BWF solicitors won a abusia yenu ebeshia ne wo benya kwan na fe adansidi e wo hu bia no ode atuja de bi onso so wo question bia e chi wadwen na ye the very last the community and the law program here for the year 2020 onso do diaba kai say a free march ebi sabri eniema have not been the same. But the love, the competency, and the zeal with which BWF solicitors at the Ayajumana and society and Komono Bebre Awaho. Na answer na medem penning for any abusiani na ebebano. Mumafi yanko na yantu on cry ebasisia.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our number one priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers.
Yeah, send your work no. We share video now who say abusua ni nyina etwa hia ansa na AC. Na ene de mede hye ase ni nyina ene se hwese abusua ni nyina ewa. Ma che mu nyina tenase se yemra na afi yemfa enkomo no emehye so. Wobeti obiya ne de obiya ye biya obekere. Na afi nso so ye de enkomoda ye wo ade emma all throughout the year 2020 and 2021 yeah the abroad ebi your friend we frame pon and me wo menia penny the senior partner BWF Solicitors awaha obe di jumedie sonko ade amai agaben good afternoon official pass
good afternoon Kweku good afternoon to enuanom ne adofo nyina ane yeti for one year Juma and fit the brain, especially this year. I am very, very peculiar and near my brain. See, the woman as your mamma so official.
Afe enko emetoyen we a year the senior partner BWF Solicitors and Motsen and come. Again, me den common shase wo so senior medical mama for no abusia for nyina ewa. But I mean Mr. 2020 Obi Eka said he wants to wish the year away. Would you want to do so?
Kweku, I'm saying I am mixed. I am mixed feeling. The tennis nema papa esi afimo ana nema bone nso esi na ye ka nema bone a I'm say ade a ye kese ba kon aye covered ba ye titiru ye bibiman mu dear say you who say ha dwene kese but na mmom ya bibifo a ye wo kromo ano be see ye ntemma ha dwene bebre ya dofo bi mu wui ye namfofo e bi mu wui say nkrofo bebre ni mo bi a se bi o waka baabi e bi nso yare e bi adwuma asɛ ama ye ka say bi mu ho kra na kyese adwuma kra no wo nya bi ano waye etie kra na say ese Boris Cross abe kasa se Christmas idie ananko de chaye ndie ba wasan agina ade enti wo hwɛ sa ade ni nyina na kyerɛ fa bi no na ankoyi but aya bibia no ye de aseda e manyame because sabio ye yetin yate ase ye wonkwam ye wanhoden sebe itimi koba anu kekekra nti no wose ye da ye nyame ase na Bible no kra ka say no things give thanks to God to be mu say ne papa say ne bone e be fa sa but ye wa rehye mu say afie e wo ye nimu nyame nti bone bia entoyen ama covid titri ye wo mu e be ye free na aman sebi o musika sem abaye basa because of covid no o musika sem betimi asesa na adwuma abie ama ye nuanom ye wofa asenam ye yerenom ye namfofo etimi enya bi na ne nyina so ye nyina ye so tinanya ye nko a ayi obia ana ye bisa sa de na ma no
ye da twede ampo asene ye damon so mo ase 2020 senior wedi kan to ye nyina ye fo ma men san eme said bio say for BWF Solicitors in him say one kasa any wo family a lot of experience under your sleeves 2020 at the saying did business go well
Kweku I'm sir me very optimistic in life I be debia me who the glass half full me who glass half empty but I was shaken in March on my announcement say more shut down I mean the thought bibi uhu bi that all those all the measures you know were why you sure say we see wachi ama bibi to you know nkofo ho metimi atoaso continuity of business ni nyina ewo but say ya kase ikru no ya shut ikru no nyina down na ebi nsi da film me na wo film mu say bibi asi makru no nyina no ya tum ti ade a ba wadwen mu because wadwen no endwen sa de na da no anya prepared say ebetimi process sa information ti ade a utimi process your film sa wa I didn't know process na no so no enyina enim say ba sa na if the president nyina adwane ekoshe bonkes enti na ya ade but kofi Kweku nyame ya odofo sabio within a matter of days na wa ma ye nyansa sonko sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi de abɔ yɛn ho ban na yɛde abɔ yɛn clients no ho ban na yɛbusua ɔdɔ kɛse ɛwɔ mu no ɛtumi atoa so nti ɔma yɛn akokoduro ne nimdeɛ kɛse ama yɛtumi toa so afi ebiom mɛka sɛ yɛ mixed because de biara no ayɛ a menyɛ selfish me I was so share the global situation say your community in Denesi as a business there I will say say the nyame ase or once I be juma to be juma sabio etimi enya kakra to yebotum etua ya danka edidi my mako school there I'm say be the nyame ase but you will be more mahwere omon kwan ne omadofo ne omon namfofo ɛno ana ya mehwɛ a ya meka sɛ ɛyɛ mixed blessing
meba abusuani nyina so na afi edin komoma ko bia be share ne experience ne opani ede ne dia man na ansa na no me pese obi ate ase sɛ wo mpanifo a woboa ɛyɛ Uncle Ben ema odi ne dwuma no Uncle Ben ɛyɛ senior partner ye wo other partners and lawyers were ha ɛna titru sɛ be ukofie bi mu na mani mu a honye de na ye boys dormitory so there someone in quantity but the man who they keep us all in check. We'll be introducing them all one after the other. Uncle Ben wadarema we dear mamen danema sebe me oh mintimin tobonti from Musa obebo me na fi yahwe senia eno ebesi akro na ansa na no mesemo moma mento BWF and crabio ne hunu senia sitie ne ba benefo ni nyina ye de won ebeba.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitors situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitors situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders.
Yeah, say wabekaya husisia who yen page no so what we are seeing is the full family. Anunti me dane ade ama senior partner Uncle Ben. Na fe waye the introduction no ade amayen. Obedan obi a waba so bia anansa wo yentemu bia adi na wachre dwumedia nipakro edi. Me anansa yen view ne se yebema obi hunu se oba BWF Solicitors hwan nie adwuma bɛn na nipakro edie na sen na esieko enti Uncle Ben we de wadarema medane ama
yo Kwaku medawase biom yesada etiefo anyone a wɔhwɛ Kwaku TV yeda wo nyina ase biom se adwumadie bia no se beso a efre bibi efre ne teamwork je se wona a wɔka wɔn ho abom a wɔyɛ adwuma no na titiriw wana aya mota hu omo pa no eye lawyers no wana wo background no de say ono na wota ya adwuma no pa otimi eso adwuma mu ma abedu ba bia abedu nti me bonkum so na che se lawyer pani a owa ha ono eye Richard Nkrumah Boadu na Richard Boadu Nkrumah ono no wo me nifa so ono ye lawyer pani ono ne pani pa oho Eunice say about time or that's what I'm so pa unyam bedui to bedu a ebeyi na kire lawyer odiso Richard Niwa ono no wo ho mea menu aketewa ya me wofa se Francis Owusu Bosompem ono nso aye lawyer ono nso ka mpanifo no ho ewo ha na ye yinu free ho a na wo hwe adwuma ya ne titiriw wona wo hye ase pa aye ma mienu baako ye mea meyere ana baako enso ye me co-pilot ye friend no Mrs. Cynthia Brown onuni ti ono no ye practice manager na onu free ho a main chair no in the order of seniority but se na be ya obia ebehu se ye nyina ye wa ha no ye wo ye nua Patrick Patrick kra no ni din no aya obo ma abrofo no o se ye friend no Patrick Woraya enso ye de enim no se ye friend no Patrick Warrior enti Patrick Warrior onini munyina mu nim no se abrochire ye de ye pani ewo ebusuan mu ono nso ana ote ono nso ye lawyer ewo ha ye free ho nso a me dofo baako a wa ha adwoa echa boaten ono nso di akotene wa ha pa ono nso enche bia ono nso ba ye lawyer kese but for now no ogusu ye de wo so ye ono nso na oka ho osomuma adwuma no eto yie ono nso ni adwoa echa boaten on the osana muhu no okuta complete Ghanaian African name I just say why dear pa the otoso ono nso ya medofo baako yensi ni form kra eye mea menua ba a friend Beatrice na ono nso eye obi a sabio ohwe so ewa ha oboayen eso yemu ama adwuma no etoyie ti ono nso Beatrice ana ewo ho no na krachi a ono edituo ikra no e friend no Mackenzie Achuche na beda me friend no Penny because Achuno aya na akoya sentafo din kwakusu nim se me wontafo enti akoya se me ba enti ono nso de Mackenzie Achuche ye wo adai na adai we minim so wa haze adai safo ono nso ewo ha ana ye wo Charles Asma on himself Kogana and ye wo Felix nso ono nso wa ha ono nso wentimi amba na se ye keka ne nyina aboma ye adwuma wa na ye edu na chancellor nso amba hey kami wure fi chancellor
ono na de sika ne nyina aba na
also when you na ni wintimi kami wure ye fi no chancellor so say chancellor de mu nyina mu nim no a friend Theo Forsen na nti mamembo di ni bio Richard Cynthia Adwoa Patrick Francis Mackenzie Anna Beatrice ti omu nyina eyo omo a omudi akotene ewo adwuma mu
yeah abusiafo se yabobo family no awie se ya na ebe fata pa se igina ede aseda be ma ohwedi amponyame se wahwe yenso all throughout the year 2020 se yanko ben ekaye no mu hu media ba mbotemeka ba so yakogina fidie nachi it is ada baba nyame ahwe yenso from 2020 especially from March niema esi ekọ dendende no na yenhu na ni so ye kra na nso so se ye tinkwam na eye bibia yetimi ade hoahoa ye ho a na ewese yede aseda ema otwedi ampo nyankopon eno nti ene mo a mote yenka ewo YouTube page no so ene Facebook page no so nyina de yede ema mo ne se yene Dina Ntwi Hamilton akabum yese erade mo ene yo
Esiene kaja nyaseda a refre woni pa ho And so damn in Payane said, me remfi papa why me. Esiane kajanya sido. I refrain one nipa home. I dear balcona misrene said, me remfi papa why me. 1, 2, 3. I say me boom pom kosha mechi. Baby I'm me friend, baby I'm ready. Or therefore, one now better me on your way. I said me susu sissy. Stand back and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you.
That's right.
I said me boom pom kosha mechi. Baby I'm me friend, baby I'm ready. Or therefore, one now better me on your way. I said me susu sissy. Stand back and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you. Empty money, money, I don't throw away salute, yeah, money, 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 I jump into chamo, money, hey, money, money, I don't throw away salute, yeah, money, 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 I jump into chamo, money, touching you held me close, so closer than a brother, so closer than a brother. Truth is, I gave up on myself, cause my back was against the wall, and it was on you now, yeah. Hey, but I gave you a call, and you answered my prayer at once. You made a way. Hey, but I gave you a call, you answered my prayer at once. You made a way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Me boom pom kosha mechi. Baby I'm me friend, baby I'm ready. Or therefore, one now better me your way. Hey, I said me susu sissy. Stand back and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you. Empty money, money, throw a salute, yeah, money, money,
Yeah, we see you're saying about you now. We say, many penny, me co-pilot. This is Cynthia Brown, and many no ever share. I'm just in here, 2020. In fact, of all the years at BWF Solicitors, about any especially 2020. I don't know about catch yeah, my age, and in 2021.
Okay, thank you, listeners, and good afternoon. First of all, I'd like to say big thank you to the Almighty for looking after us. As we all know, this hasn't been an ordinary year. It's been very, very challenging, but God has been so good to us. It's been merciful to us. He's looked after us. I mean, I can say we've never really lacked. We've had clients, we've had several inquiries, and really, indeed, God has been good to us. And I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank our clients. They've been there for us, and I believe we've also been there for them. So thank you all very much, and I wish you Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Hopefully, 2021 would be much better than this year. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Auntie Cynthia. I'm free, so I'm not free. I should go left. So going to Auntie Cynthia's left, a typical African name. That smile, that will become a lawyer very soon. You know, at the same. Good. 2020, 2021, BWF Solicitors, and our country.
Individually and the whole world. And so looking back, you know, I say, Yami, any DE, BWF solicitors, Washaya, so, even though it's not challenging, but just Yami, enjoy a hot clients nearby. If you have if you know me bed, you may share point who law firms are or my shut it down. You know, all I can say is say, Yami, ye, now may use this opportunity when so add that. You know, your clients near say, or more Ecoswa, Ebahana, or Mata, BWF solicitors, Switchy. The entire body said, I think there baby was now to the Coswa in a year who be said 2021 to be a very good and better year for all of us. Idamunia said.
Auntie Adwa, yada sipi. May you ladies first, inti. I'm going right into the corner. And right into the corner to pick up Brigels for no. Uncle Patrick, for okay. You. And then I also back at you. But your Ubo dear na waka the overcana am I?
BWF solicitors, my phone, said, yeah, me for Nakano. Midi one nanga senka cranka, and Pempensi, never can I say, Yamamun official part. Yamia Daromano didn't do Sabre 2020. Na edding, if you are so an edding, Tina, ye name said near cut, but Yamia cracker, na Daroma, or the average Pempensia. Near can I say, na see any day. Na at the same time, so never catch your clients and they say, you don't want to CP, Yadinyame, na cinema, say. Wong en yaw ye mu ni nyina mu nyame de ne nsaka won akoma ene won adwe ma ye no adi nsa wo so bepem sabra ne kan say ne esi ye a na eden very challenging but see ye bi sabra ye gidi say 2021 will be a very prosperous year nti ye ma hu nyina official pa
BWF solicitors abusianfo and mote won anikano. Okay, me free ho na Evo Adruzo. Eti Efo also wadarima eden ena bekai atre.
Your friend Efo Mackenzie. Thank you all of you, our loyal clients. Damunya say you have never given up on us throughout the pandemic year. It has been a very, very deadly year. It has been a very frustrating year. And it has been a very difficult year. But we thank all of you for being there for us. You've never given up on us. You always keep pushing us for us to deliver for you. So we all hope to a very prosperous, a very peaceful, and a very calm 2001. We thank all of you. Akwenami Yadamwase.
One fan so crank because I know Nanka we have a case we are now watching in mind now. BWF solicitors, we're a family of everybody. Say here now free north, south, east, or west, or wherever no. Yeah, one family. And then I mean lawyers also. Catch you, Patrick. Na yasu udino o baya na brofo no efa no foforo ya body abrofo ne kana mami ba say it
right okay you etie for echiamu nyina I hope say obia ho ye ye nika enije bebre say ene yenya akwanya na ya present abusuani nyina e de akere mo gidi say mu nyina soso mo ni age say mo hu yen dodo na tabe hu yen wa ha nti mu ni mi endada but ene mo a mu fi achichi a because of COVID nti mo pesa mo instruct yen na mo enya kwan nti mi am hu yen face to face no ene nyame aya adom ama mo hu yen se ne mu hu package no saa pepe na tie oba ha serious eni kasa nti no ye hye mo nkran se mo nkoso na mo ne yen enya adwuma brebe mo a mo mesra yen na mo mehwe ba bia ye wo ene se ne ye adwuma no sifa mo ni baje hu yie pa na 2020 yes se ne yɛde kan aka no ayɛ yie bi a asɛ dɛdɛ kakra enworo kakra na nso no nyinaa akyi no adeɛ nyinaa mu no yɛsɛ yɛmfa ɛnase ɛma nyame nti yɛda nase sɛ wɔwɔ a yɛn ahwɛ yɛn so akora yɛn so ɛbɛdu saa mpɛmpɛnso yi afi a yɛba bɛwura mu no yɛade srɛdeɛ ne sɛ ɔnkɔ so no ɔnhwɛ yɛn so ɔmmɔ yɛn ho ban na yɛn ho amma asɛm bia ɔmfa yɛntwa afi no dwoodwoo nkusi awieɛ na yɛ clients a yɛyɛ adwuma ama mu no so no yɛn mpaebɔ no sɛ biribi a yɛyɛ ama mu bia no ɛbɛyɛ successful 2021 emu bɛyɛ dɛ in terms of new points based system a ɛreba no ahomkasɛm ɛwɔ mu nti monhyɛ no so sɛdeɛ yɛabɔ no dawuro no na ɛberɛ no duru hɔ a mompinkyɛn yɛn na deɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛyɛ ma mu bia no yɛnyɛ ma mo yɛwɔhyɛ obiara merry christmas obiara ne n'abusua yɛtɔ nyame nhyira ɛde gu mu so sɛ ɔma no nsi mu yie sɛdeɛ ɛsi mu kra yie no afihyia pa
afe enko emetu yen ene na me move nkwa ofa say Lawyer Francis Owusu Bosopem boss afisha pa
afen go betu you dia
you na no bi na oni edi nkomo na wo che se ne yesigu aware obi se na abrantie pa na ese da bi ongu aware na mu se ba ne mramu a onim se ne esite odarema and then now the my
yo mefa akwanja we so achia yetie for se mo an ani mo aye adwuma abesi afi ehya ase ekona wieye yempa ebone se nyankopɔ be kramo akoswa ma de se ode mama na se mo ade so ade a mo sere free no no ode be mama yo ebiomo so no yesa de aseda kese ema yenjuma efo a yene o ma ye adwuma abesi sesebra efa BWF staffs meka ankabe aka but I was say nyina no without them no anka yeni ho nti yen aba TV so ye call radio so near there no lawyers no munim ye but other staffs na and then so ye o mapie ama ye hu obia se na we the way no and so sa ye koso ade aseda ema omo yo yemra ye tie for and also no tembia mutie yen I know say 2020 na ye hard year and a biomo so no na ye ni and daso because every month by month ni na ye nim de da ye nim but nyankopɔ ye de no ho ato yen so no watimi de ye twa abesi sesebra aseda nkoto ne ye se de ma no ene biomo so no ye hwɛ se yetimi free ye ba be call 2021 na ya this year ya de maira de say obehwe na waboa yen e de atwa 2021 no ene biom so obeboa yen through our clients no say e be koso atembia ye benya anase de beto nanim no obeye no wa aboa yen say dachi yakase mo ono no aye e de abasi sesembre why
yo Lawyer Francis ya da CP ne na me shifting na mako eye Lawyer Richard so na onon so they also or the mayen and then or the amayen boss kadeje
senior
senior no me we am chairman say me senior partner senior no chairman what you too
yo senior me da se bebre na me fa kwenja insusu na me da ye panyin ase na ye dwumayefo me say insu to enso no next Saturday ye nyina yetime agya family no ho na ye ba be share ohanom na ye this lovely program yi eba say etifo mamesimo so much intimate check see ema mu nyina ye mamo happy Christmas in advance na ye hwe ni mu se nyankopon say oboy ho ban this year 2020 na me ba be ma no catch me say that na ya na ye kasenka ye ma 2020 na enkontem na say 31st no ade chia the same yina na to asunti what would change well it's just aspiration me kai say March yesterday year na your principal a frame that time na omuma total lockdown no na your Friday be strategic meeting on remote. Not to say yeah strategy because our mind is but yeah key workers. So in moving forward, and how do we go forward? Because your share community clients. Deportation cases are your faces say you do call chrome application air pending. Na say ye kasa ye to ye offices mu a den na ebe happen to sa enkrofo we. So your principal can say say ye key workers na aban am ho kwan say ye adwuma yi de ye MBA office no na mom ye put all the measures in place e be keep ye workers no ene ye clients so safe. Na yintimi nye kakra yebetimi aye. It was uncertain. We didn't know what we were eventually into, but say Yakopon or a favorable one na the grace abound in intino. A boy home kakra now the baby do December idea not just the na seka sena. Emma Ochediam Ponya Kopon any your principal any your juma your phone na say ye to me ababy drew a feno every year. Na etifo so any ashfo clients in na so support ye. Say your share Facebook to see I'm say enkita hudie ekoho no very very lively and lovely. Nti ye de na asie na mamo na me personally the make say me da clients na etifo ne ahwefo nyina ase bebre e wo supporter omode eman abribia ye ba radio so mobaha na moda so ekukra emusa e de ababedru afena wie ye hope na we strongly believe say the year 2021 will be a better one. This one has been a good one in a way because Yadasoti and Koma, Bibia and to Tima say ye about 10 households. Nanso so ye baha ye juma bribia COVID ba ye na ye ntimi we've never had anybody testing positive to COVID-19. Aye nyankopon enhye say na otimi ama ye timenya sa protection nti ye de na ase na ma obia na ye bompa say krukrai sa fever na samfa ye nkodru 2021 na senior also so ye de na ase kese ma say utimi masa ni ma fefefe nyina da so ekoso na abribia no obua na dwumade na ekoso nti etifo ye da mase na ye de nyankopon so ase na we are looking forward to a very very blessed and a very better year ahead. Thank you.
Esiene kajanya seda a refre woni pa ho enso da me pa ya ne se mi remfi papa wa ya me esiene kajanya sedo a refre woni pa ho ade ba ko na mesre ne se mi remfi papa wa ya me na se mi bun kon ko shemechi baby am friend baby am di o therefore wa na obetumi ayewe I said, Miss Susu, Sissy, stand by and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you.
That's right.
I said, me boom, pom, koshamechi. Baby, I'm a friend, baby, I'm a D. Or therefore, why now better me away? I said, Miss Susu, Sissy, stand by and take account. Or therefore, wait there, it had to be you. Empty money, money oh, money oh, money oh. Eja mi tu chamo, money oh, hey, money oh, money oh. Ada trowe salute, money oh, money oh, money oh. Eja mi tu chamo, money oh. touching you held me close. So closer than a brother. So closer than a brother. Truth is, I gave up on myself. Cause my back was against the wall. And it was one in us, yeah. Hey. But I gave you a call. And you answered my prayer. At once, hey. You made a way. Hey. But I gave you a call. And you answered my prayer. At once, you made a way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Me boom pom 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 shamechi. Baby, I'm me friend, baby, I'm a D. Or therefore, one over to me away. Hey, now say me susu usu sisi. Stand back and take account. Or therefore, wait yeah, it had to be you. Enti money yo, and I throw a salute yeah, money yo.
Okay, money yo yame ayebi. Enti mo ho abusua ni nyina ebi ebeka ho bia na definitely ye de ebeba na afi mo hunu sania obia level esi etie. Hey. 2020. I'm say mo miss min kabi wai. Ana kabe.
I know.
Ai. Say BWF me so say obia anya company we home for so a na nyame anaso onyaa na nyame. Why? Because Uncle Ben has taken me as a younger brother, not just somebody who works with him, but as a younger brother. Those times were Rainbow Radio through to GN Radio. People thought ni anime. Apart from say I got to a point where career-wise, academic-wise, social life-wise, everything, I was at a very low ebb. And Uncle Ben will pick up the phone and say, Kweku, don't worry. Even at a point, medically, he was like, let me introduce you to my friend. And he was like, okay. But there was one morning at GN Radio and was like, Kweku, let me introduce you to somebody, if you don't mind. What they? If I call number and mommy, lawyer, you in the snappy trips.
Okay.
Now me come once every time I said that. I say, me, Chihuna, me no home. Now, Uncle Ben is being inspirational. His eye for quality is exceptional. So, one no year, Juma, na say, Mutani, you know, be a chairman of the committee you are working with. Be careful. Because he will push you to do what he wanted to do. And you get the results. And at the end of the day, when you get the results, you are so happy. Co-opted into Homecoming Summit Committee. And they drew point to Bino. Uncle Ben, I don't know whether you remember this. But I was in July 2017. You could do Ghana. No. Now, situation at war, International Conference Center, technically, everything was in a sham. Ofre, myself, Paula Kwabwa, Linda, Ben Akosia. Was in London for. Let's take up something. Let's do something. Let's save the situation. And for the whole of the summit, I could participate. But Uncle Ben pushed that, and we ran the show from the beginning to the end. Just because he wanted it to succeed. National Committee, no, chairman, not the UK chairman or the choir. We did the job so well. I am so proud, and I've been able to put that on my CV just because he asked us, Kweku, Paul, and all the others, please, let's take control. And we did. When it comes to, say, immigration laws, but when it comes to other aspects of life, say I encourage you be, say condition be about now everybody is under pressure. His calmness is exemplary. When we did the 6th show of this event, I hear the community and the law. And they know your say now your microphone fine, your pictures fine. And I was sweating in the same room, sweating in front of these cameras. They gave me a cup of coffee and said, Kweku, an occupational hazard. You know your job, so don't worry. Let's go on. And that was the day we had the most successful, we had the highest number of people watching us and even sharing the program. The American said, Uncle Ben, 2020, even though it was challenging, you led this wonderful family to the point where from September up to this point, your lawyers leave this building not earlier than 12 a.m., midnight. And Obako, Patrick Table, so Eunice Table, so Francis, Lawyer Richard. Files are like this. I'm like, when are these people going to sleep? The following Saturday, you come here and they are here already. That is the work culture and ethic. What they share among for and for more clients, potential clients. You know, yes, sir. Uma yemfa asedama unyame the first na afi BWF family so yenda mwase. And Sebani immigration mo abdi wo say achieve wo krom ha bia through BWF Solicitors I have achieved. And I want to say and to Cynthia, from those times where they were stopping me at Stansted, the letters you wrote under the direction of Uncle Ben, thank you. Thank you in Chairman that I'm saying that today. Thank you. It's down from my heart. Thank you so much. Sometimes, question be over me, it sounds very silly. But to be anywhere through me offered them. Katachia is my junior at Topoko High School. That's why he calls me senior. But Famese Sabi Penimubi and was say Debbie. He does what he has to do professionally, and I respect him for that. Uncle Ben, Uncle Richard, Joa, Auntie Cynthia, Aunt Beatrice, Efo, Ines, Minnesota late, but what updates and I love them. Francis, and Nana Abuchede. Thank you all so much. Thank you, and thank you. I can't say thank you enough. But my main platform no so. Mohamode Abano. Nana Hima Vicky Newton Kumi. Ukuta Ofona. Let's all go because may read it from our Facebook page. Kweku Wari. Dr. Sadom Gina Edu say Nana Jimai, class prefect. Georgina Edu Foriwa. You were BREXIT or Dobi Kasa. We didn't be ambitious as in sense. Nanecha, you were Obapa May, Sanso, and you were Antubam, Marian, and Sia, Tilly Duma, and it would work coming in. Everybody is commending us, and I'm wife for power.
I am man, dear. A1.
And yes, I'm getting
and every day. Monday to Friday.
Why? And Jack Ben, answer na your day and questions maybe concerns and maybe me question back community. And then I'll catch your clients in a bill and sign your course. Wow, per friend again, telephone number near active 0208 123 1016. And I'll send a text on our WhatsApp 07950 422 780. Uncle Ben.
Yo, Kwaku, I'm sir, Richard Adawase Dada, but Messa Adawase, Wado, and Mobrohun, and Unuayo, what they actually for so many years. I know that's all. A chief for and a wana washay, I'm say, a dear Betimia Catitune say, I was saying I didn't miss because ye name Obieni, Chromo Yagan near Onimobia. COVID inti waka baby yeyina anim obi a waka baby nti e de aseda no be manyame se wahwe yen so na waboye ho ban e de abesu sisei na sabio sebe ye wa adwuma ye a itimi sore ekwa adwuma e de bi hwe abusuafo nti ye de nyame ase sana mu nyina mu nim na mse mu amunnim ye ndi munim ye infritite sometimes and I had the word unim me frintite na be cliche into the significance. But the bottom line is, and for me, you know, say me cover bina me kasa BWF, me kasa Ghanaian lawyers, because for us as a community, no, I was here survive and here thrive. Na the Bema community, no, tumpon kase ne se lawyers e woman no, edimu omutimi ye adwumani yi manoso ani. The here ye in se afia ye remu nyame be koso ahwe ye. Na de mu nyina mu nim no nso no mra no nya ade a ye to ekine sa ya kwadare mu ye tse da do mu asuko ehwem ye bompa se ye wura fi mu no ye bekoso ahwe mo niema asesa from end of this month no mu nyina mu nim de eba na options bebre wo ho a em se Patrick mu Eunice ne Francis o matete ani a kire mo kakra na de metimi aka ne se nyame ema ye nkwane ete asede a se ba mremu se ye Ghana mra ye immigration ye family ye litigation ye wo ho mamo ye bompa se ye nyina nso afe no bekwa awiye no a afe foforo no be start no na ye wa hoden amanhyira adware ye edamu nyina ase
yeah akabani ye da se wo cruncha with the main time bia but Ines mo mpakonya wana na hiya no komo
watch the cable.
Watch the cable. Very good. I was for you know about what I say a lawyer Ines. But Ines what to say?
Nyame adom passion he.
Passion man so na enkwala na ye akabetem. You. Now it's saying 2020 I can say.
Well, like all of us have said, it's been a challenging year, but I think that it's also been a good year for most people as well. I think that the government put in schemes that helped a lot of our workers or employees, and also the fact that people had the concessions to rely on in terms of informal bound visitor, almost to switch from visit visa to family visa or whichever routes that they had available. And even those that had expired visas back in whichever country that they went to, they were able to also apply even though their visas have expired. So in all, I think most people have also benefited from all these concessions that came out as well. And we're looking forward to a brighter 2021.
Mami Misa, what am I update to be now 1 year? Will be 31st December and
yeah.
What is the expectation again?
Well, we know that at least with our EU nationals, normal family members are workroom hanum, they can always do the EU settlement scheme, which the government have made available up until 30th of June 2021. In terms of informal person omone buseni eba to say omo yere anasa omo kunu anasa omo ba anasa omo mami anasa omo papa no, they still have those availabilities to make those applications. But T3, I think it is to do with the extended family members. And that is the main issue. Obia or your brother, and also sister, and also niece, and also somebody that you have looked after, but then you see, those are the ones that are going to have to make the applications before the 31st of December this year, before 11 p.m. And what they have said, and they say, at least if they are able to get these permits through, they all automatically become family members under Appendix EU, which will allow them to make applications under the EU settlement scheme.
And then that's the but I know people have questions that are lingering on their minds. But before EU, the first lady, I mean, say because of your updates, is there hope after 31st for any EU citizen?
Of course. I don't think that we should see the 31st as the end of it. Obviously, we have the new points-based system coming up. Into the EU now, UK, Chrome Hanum dia. They said they have this points-based system for skilled workers, also those that are within the health and care visa route, students who want to come to the UK, innovators. Usually from exceptional talent, that's now under the global talent route. You also have people that will want to come in and then say that UK ancestry into Omonananom Ebetsna Kromha on Asayawomo before 1933. Those routes are all available to people who want to come into the UK. It's not just EU nationals. All other country nationals will have that option available to them. So, those options are available.
Okay, right. There was one thing, I don't need to leave it to later, I have to do it. And then, in front of me, plus it tells me, sir, BWF Solicitors Enya Awards in 2020, because 2020 dates now also. Which are these? In fact, we in the kind. That's very one.
Okay, we Black British Business Award.
Okay.
And for senior professional services. Yademame through a Juma BWF Solicitors Iowa community name. Okay. Dodona radio ne TV. Potentially in a year, statistics, na yitimi esum for 1 million in a year. Okay. The multiple effect for social media, radio, TV, Facebook, YouTube. To your assessment, na clicks, it's over 1 million a year by BWF. Most of it here, educational materials. Now, my baby, I started one baby, I do and into normal way, a mame through BWF, Juma BWF, Solicitors here or community.
Okay. There's another one. SME News, UK Enterprise Award 2020. So.
Yeah, we BWF Solicitors Award are you winning for small and medium-sized enterprises. Again, as a quality of work, your community and into the man. That's our award. No several categories in terms of next one. Okran so ifri hosa. Into best lawyers, best business, best community group. Bako purely for business.
Okay.
And bako so for law. Into two nina. Bako be I know they inform my. And also, well, you too, about best family law solicitors in southeast of England, okay, which covers 9 million people. And I'm say best family lawyers in London. And because for us, any award in per se, sometimes an award in a year, because a helpful for presence, because but Obianko Google review, for example, no go read the testimonials from scores of people are omanya service. Just go, BWF Solicitors, Google review, and just go and see the excellent reviews are. When we a sample of exactly what community and organizations here. But for individuals, no, and share exactly what they're saying about our services. And again, we emphasize that you represent Ghana, African community. Over here, lawyer bio kasa bia on kasa braya ho I deliberate because yem pese abeye se yem kwa na ye lawyer so ho. Ya se ko Ghana ni lawyer ho. I emphasis dema because Sebio me started Juma Kromo as a lawyer. That's about 28 years. In fact, August na 28. Lawyer behind the Kromo ya Ghana ni minimum. Both judges and lawyers, solicitors and barristers. Minimum and I know the worth of everybody. Young ones, our more banner, yes, almost more different views and ideas. But for us, as a community law firm, yes, you be here lawyer biano Uncle Ghana. I think not too long ago, about just under 10 years. Now Ghana for wahano, okaso Uncle Ghana ni lawyer uncle. Obeka sobeko Asian or either Indian and Pakistani. It's sad, but we've changed the narrative since 1999. You started a radio program with Space Clotte or Voice of Africa. You changed narrative na ABC and for us, dear, we're very proud. We are thankful to the community. So, and say your community lawyers.
Community lawyers, your preferred community lawyers, BWF Solicitors. One and what they was some equijawa, come out, nebe years. Be GDS along the line, no, there might be other people who think, oh, may they come out BWF Solicitor. Do you refuse cases?
Yes, we do refuse instructions because I started practice in 1992. First, I integrity.
Okay.
Integrity.
Right.
Integrity adibia. So we need integrity wa dia we mo. Bibia obeye bia no a touch. Hwe de bia ni ho a metu kwan akọ Ghana. I will be between matare. Lawyer, on me. So there's so many. And for me, it's because of the fact, see, I know what Tanas and Yakas Adima Yensuma, not because assessment. I'm a potential and as a prospect of success near very high.
Okay.
So case in your case, here we are, you be catch. And for us, the integrity is what we dwell on. So integrity in your juma. Actually, say a juma no nya juma enti nintina cases be o yenso mo.
Okay. I was saying for before anyone share and the community and the law so the BWF Solicitors family. You catch you say meet the team and get your questions answered. My first question. But more my tea, I think from September and my tea is 2021. License be ba betimi akofa nkofa mo abaye adwuma and money ade mo ye ready am I
Kwaku ya ready pa na am say na pese EU die no e free ho because I am information or the boom too much we be na we see eventually with communication and branding and information or the boom too much now or confusing for for us as a law firm community law firm your emphasis no say community no be aware say the European route no esesa. And to be one every single week be a boom. The entire na say it was stuck in people's minds say esesa. To nim nua bia obeka chen say kwadwo we ba we yese yo enti sesa. But from the 1st of January no say ade na ye kan ye say adwuma sem because Europeans yesi omo kwan say ombeba betena ha foforo no abanya bie kwan foforo ama obi a Ghana, Nigerians, Sierra Leoneans, Afghanistan, Sudanese obi a so once adwuma na wo be no e do threshold be a friend level 3 sa level no equivalent here A level, but it doesn't mean there was a A level. It's experience near share. So when unko income threshold is about 24,600 or 24,800, which is very, very low for any form of employment. And it is a winners threshold in unko now our kwaji was sponsorship license. So we can benkum, we lorry, we a driver, we a employment agency, we a care home. Any adwuma bia we bia. So home office a mao to me say for be bra. Which me do bia if you Ghana eba emane be adwuma. So our experience in ko.
Enti ye betimi e de ho ato so say more ready say mo be amine. Lawyer Francis, I mean in also and the question is not to appetite. Yeah, you're ready. Madam teacher, actually. Nano na o chayin say a banner say bibinti. Which I EU some more and applications of what you know. In a minute, chayin say our giant bar. What can we do with it?
Yo, me da say Uncle Kwaku. Isn't it our giant? Oh, yes.
I'm not for the bomb, so go to me every week, so I'm there, bro.
But I was suffering troubles.
Yo, yeah, sure question with you about if you be sure every EU side, near side share free immigration rules in the Senate here. Okay. Yeah, share EU then uja warrior if we be retention of right. But say meet some requirements be. So our requirements in the NNSA say our year no 83 years. And a biomuso our year no one nipa no etna for 1 year. And a biomuso at the time uja our year no na nipa no a year juma. Inti ye share way nyina na. So wutimi prove sa nyoma miensa way nyana. Ubetimi agina so aye sa retention of right no under the EU. In the way and a opportunity, say be a wager warrior under EU situation, and I say EU run now person retain no writer, which me make application on that basis. Yo, yemra immigration rules in so. Immigration rules na humpa. Titiru say leave be a year limited. Na funny say umuka for a British near na say Obia was settled with Kuma settlement and are indefinite. And Wakofa free Ghana Abba. Inti Wakofa free Ghana Abba no. Na Bibinti na leave our no 2.5 no. And we na Bibinti ama winning in term we see oh me jawa here. And so Kai who say Ujina so. And ukuta sa in krata 2.5 no. Inti who ye bibia o say wodwene hu mienu. Okay. Men ye wadwene say oh me ja aware ne. But ye were exceptional circumstances be about me ja aware no. Ebi ni say ebia na DV domestic violence bi wo. Say be me o so ya o de wani ma boxing tem bia o ponchi. What me propose hard na.
Me man be so bro.
Yeah, it what me propose hard na. No bet me agya ware na wa file and say why application on that basis why be man na mo treat you. E bio so on the other hand so e bia sebi be man na ugina ne so no wa free mu. And no, so wait me make application on that basis now. A friend bereavement application. And no, sir, DV bereavement application are very no. Oh yeah, and go straight, a more indefinite. A sitting up for boy, wait me the Athena Kuman. Why?
Okay. You, Lord Francis, me does say, young phone lines, no, send the Cambo man, you're not active 0208, sorry. 1231016 and now say Uber text 07950 422780 menya meba lawyer Richardson menya messages we your ya no mo gather around TV or Hamburg no almost say we are gathered here waiting for the shout out. Montreal German maybe na me read. And say I hear this Your call lines no so nti ebenifo madaroma mo nyina yaso emra na afi yenhwe senia ebinom so ani yen eba ababedi enkomo me mo mama 1 second Patrick but you me here on ade no down we try more camera any do way but you free chin na me dey aba mama enhwe dey also hello
I'm Goku.
Yes, mommy.
But I'm afraid, but I'm program for now. Maybe.
But you also that next saying official also.
But I think over to me that. But I said Felicia.
Yes, one Felicia.
The friend, the new question, then we ask that, and they might be BWF SOLICITORS now, especially Uncle Ben. Uncle Kaku, about 2 years ago, the candidate, the plan, the family, the December, we say, Namu will come, the Kitankula, Terrain. Minkrata. Leko programme ya bada kwa ne timai. Na mo ye program se ya na fresh to come asem. Okay. Ako ben ka tire me semane. The address na bra. Oba ye be your application of free ya ye choose to kepia. Leko kuna me se anko ben ka for say obi be hu se bia o ye ku o ka ne keke. Me twana mo ako London ako mo office. Leko within 3 months Uncle Ben, you may have a bit tonight. And my oil and cat, mammy, free ya £1. Make Uncle Ben give £1. And say, I'm on for a quack, and so it's in the cook. Until the fry, Master Jan, Uncle Ben, Uncle Francis, Uncle Richard, and the BWF SOLICITORS 14 million, and the BBR. Oh, Papa, or my young man. Minimum Uncle Ben, baby, minimum beer, baby. So one check it, I could be a boy. I'm a name, my name, my neighbor, be a sinner. When men are cast, and we can dance in a show. Not a pana or your man, or young, what's that? They give me name and money film. So, Mubushi, and you do about big beer or course I hope you and I could put you any funds in food. The American said, nothing, I mean, Sram, and it's so BBR. Local, which then is up, some man come back again. I said, oh, bye.
Okay, all right, me that's say. Uncle Ben, man, hold on. Why do you do that?
Kweku, I have compassion. I idea, Monsieur, na misakra. Mi hunse sabensani nyina nyepe. Na die emma nyame etimi emma wo tumi ana ahonya bi ana nkoso bi ne se wobetimi de saa tumi no ana nkoso no aboa obi enti saa compassion de ye nyina ye nsini form. Yes, you run a business, very expensive, but ehunumobo ane mwaboa ye de boa ye ho no a Ghanaian culture. Na ya for friend Ghanaian hospitality no. But for us no, as a community firm no, the ye channel say ye could reduce so ye call driver call Scotland and our Wales and our Leicester and our Milton Keynes. Idea ye ni debia. I'm a Debbie Bray said Minia Bay Sabio ne wa ha no because minim no pa nyame afa lawyers no so at the aboana evidence so say anya say wabe dias you but ni nyame na osom no wabe da ni nyame na se enti yobe koso ehira no ti onkoso no nhira na yeso yentimi nhira say Kwaku on a few occasions no me no yesu wo yesu wo radio so because of situations yeah aboanko for but it's what it is and for me say nyame ti ase de yen winko ade ye be koso show compassion Mr. Mo so wunim say wo share Brazilian wig ukuta mobile phone £1,000 wo she shoot 500 wo she atare 400 Mr. Memfa wasema because oba ye bejo but ye will be more sabio omuhia mo and ye oba ye bebo
okay over Rosary TV after 0208 123 1016 and as Ube send they will text and WhatsApp no at the about 07950422780. Uncle Richard, Mami and Browse, I mean, we say a banner say yeah share immigration something idea. I'm focused on Kwa and Moye. What else can we come to BWF Solicitors for?
Well, I mean, so we are aware, so immigration is the bedrock of what we do here. But then, if there be litigation, immigration nankasa litigation because you're not Secretary of State civil litigation. But sometimes you maybe to say housing, family, no, Madam Eunice, most of the family cases, big ones, only Mr. Francis, you did more cotton, say, be our Rijayaba, Krano, or more care arrangements. Yes, Sunny money, I'm said principal for family law, no, Abomo Akotene, Yabana Basso, say, experts in that area.
Okay.
Employment, I'm said last 2 weeks or so. Lady B of social media. Now, what not say be true, it just said, baby, what's no, very bad. It's Obahasi, and no them say, many lawyer Patrick, and country principal, you see about one. You better letter comma, actually, senior, I will cancel for them. I will call for Louis and Mackay. Because the bones are only Louis and for the cracker. My chief executive for not try a letter. I mean, you have an MSO tears, I say, Miss Rombrand over here. It is all sharp, be bit no, Uti baby, and your housing, social housing in Semu. Your ball letter come a coy, complaining chair, Papa said, you know, you know by what's more impressive, but I'm saying, Mam queer, baby, what's in a hard drink. It's a one because a Friday be said. Housing Act in 1996, your obligation, and I said duty be accounted owed to people in their area. I said, yeah, they are not too in Crumpa or session 17 of Mofana law now. Also, Momboa because all more France on Ketwa in Chen. Yet in Nemabisa, yet shortly to queer, Papa naturally to say, in fact, a dana de and whom I didn't want Lewisham Mubarano, but so a prepares of a carbon tea, Omitimabua, no one baby at Tanakama. It's yes, I man, social work, whom your man is crying in my boss. Employment. Me no ka say brother bi nso tie say me hu so what text me. Was send the docket kakraka bi abase in review because of employment tribunal. Now yeah case analysis. So enye say employment case no ba na ya gine mum de be hwe the gravity na extent was ye call because ya na me bo de ma omo expertise wo more but bi won so ayanimu kakra bi nti betimi akọ into litigation, family, immigration, employment, housing. Sometimes, Ghana law no no. In fact, Ghana law, some investment properties in the Sanema so ye di hujuma. I'm say NCBA Ghana office will be very active in things like Ghana law and so. Iti se bibisa wo honom na efa ho a yetimi property law na say ye tenure instructions na ye lovely lady so more fun say ye said your property law as in ye Friday be set why instructing e be a financial orders and ancillary relief na I was say ye transfer property to the wife that is ancillary to what we are doing to send it me ye name of say stand alone instructions on property in the entire but ye bet me advice so they also we know into immigration family and housing litigation employment you didn't want to
okay yeni aba akwadun ene abusia mo Hamburg matimo message na nyame enhyamo omo de omo ye ne say omo form a group community and the law group until Saturday no edura omo frefre omo but you ko base nyame enhyamo thank you so much for the support we love you back like that your call line also 020812311016. Hello. Hello. Hello, you know what? Oh. Oh, so but wait me. Hello. some lower, you know. Kasai, hello. Yeah, hey. I don't know about me. Yeah, check. And then I get because I am technical. If I talk, maybe I mean, also, I'm also, I mean, trying to. I think, hello. Aha.
And I'm Papa.
Yes, my man.
What's the mama official poll?
I think come here.
So yeah, that BWF solicitors for nasty, especially Uncle Ben and Uncle Richard, and I'm nasty. That's it. I don't see that I say na me baby. Within the Adjoana, I'm a Santa Tassin now, Munimi. Then hiding within Kakapa, Uncle Ben and Uncle Richard, or Munimi. We didn't have one say Adjoa. Now me that's that I say my Uncle Richard. Best 4 years ago, my class assem, who be yedding. Now, me should be a commission far, not as a would be any baby. Now, I was at the 2.5, and I'm a banesso. Now, me see any programs, was social media, so, and I'm say, I said, yeah, go for the adults and you know, my print. I mean, Kono, I'm palm the see, the see a year, and I'm a cohuno. Na me call you so no my idea call a friend is appeal home office cause omo receiving ade na the same thing and Uncle Richard say you didn't na be call one the current one the same thing you call ya back and forth omo refuse and one of the call na me cash rade nyam say me no cash na me nyam settle status indefinite into the asida customer BWF na me show brass and say obi o what that be ma onye ni da so no omo format sem na nkoto enkodan BWF no mo services very great and a very different to so many lawyers me ame hu no ankon ko bia so o tie say omo format omo sem na e fa kodom na me say nya me o washro no obeya mo bibia na me sa do mase na encourage but on they catch and say you have finished too much in next year you will say obeba the master na
so what the adwuma be brave abanti was so ye ni nyina nti obe ye ni nyina obeba so
what enti me dana se be brave e wo do ye ma me ni so so me ni me bu se nyina ida se da ma no the master my name bye bye
ha jina da be na obeba
so I feel that you're real my it's my dear sister I'm said next month feed your name about started in kita home and then said not my able partner Madam Eunice Boame na met me so I clear backlog kakra fine nti say bibia to talk come nti wa ma me ho kwan say me mra back nti nyame ya do my next month never back
and but
yeah, sure. So that's insure 020812311016 and answer over send the text a day about 07950422780. And come and we or say God bless you for all your great work in the community. I'm a British citizen living in Manchester. I have 2 nieces who I'd like to bring to the UK and come and live with me. One is 21 and the other is 12. But your wife friend, just got creative. I'm kind. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
So, maybe Eric. Maybe actually that number BWF. I don't my mama dear. Because I make car. I never say. I don't think I can be. I say a bush of Ghana for me. I say a poach. You are the pa mana. You don't say you're a Ghana in tea. Young from Commando. Now, my sibling and say, maybe a friend say, no matter yet. Master like number back. Number so, the number by yet. I remember Jimmy Carter. That I'm not meant to be WF or Monka. Until no made the master command. Lawyer be a mean person of body. Unfortunately for me, medics cannot, the staff is coming in a home office feeling of a green man. The payment there, me who know. I may find him for. It's about now want to be WF for others. I'm so minimum. Also, okay, no problem. And then me to many me know baby and I'm so okay. And meet you. Nti metio mo kakranka sometimes no ka gi misika no nti me ni sika bia ho nti na me adom metio mo na me a me ye application na yakopon adom e successful nti no o ma me 10 years route na me say say yakopon adom na say me a metio mo na say ma ya ka na so mo dia ma me a say me social ko 5 years route dia 5 7 fan ko mo no mo ye ma me ana mi dim de ka gidi na me de come on oh ya me adom o ma ye na ye successful pa like Richard no ye ma me yes America like Richard oni me into me ka ona be ho me like Richard me ni no se me pocket lawyer so lawyer me no pocket lawyer into me da mo ase da go seni na ase
okay
that's pa
you say that CP ya me in show and ben do my memorial question no so well Fabia hold on mommy I'll say Bako 21 Bako 12. The one who is 21 just finished university. I was on mobile no money bets na on a better woman. It was on a deal or mama me at dear. I'll be grateful it could kindly help me with what exactly I need to do to get them to come and live with me in the UK. Do I need to apply for normal visa or adopt them as my children? What processes do I need to go through and what documents do I need for any applications to bring them here? Sorry.
Okay, well, I have a very broad question. First of all, so you're British. And already know create problems. So over here, so what it will be a your age limit so under the immigration rules. And the what fast about 21 on the she's out. The what 12 no normally no your test be a for other family members omonya woba and as oyere na wuku so the omo requirements na very strenuous. I was so chere say asetana na akola no woman no so difficult say amana mba affecting abrabo nyina. It will be very unusual so between you prove it that I mean in my practical 28 we've only done it once. Na soja ni bi no your lieutenant no your Korean ti Korean saba na ne man no sata na ba ko 19 ba ko 21 na ebronko no bro ba no mo ma me wa ha ti etimi ye social services report na ga na mo frɛ no social for example social welfare and those days no those omo ye reports at the kan ho ama yetimi de omo buy but it's very unusual so betimi de even akola we the 12 number. The flip side and say or person adopting are very expensive. Say obetimi adopting the process no be na cost no between 12 and 20,000 pounds. The only other thing obetimi ahwe aye potentially say be obetimi aye application for a higher friend residence order by Ghana no a friend custody order. So to me, a custody order na we yi niema ni bebree free of all those akola no emma mbeye ne ba no. Sa custody order itself no create relationship bia a create family life in a way. Se papa na ta akọ Ghana na oni akola ndink ta ho. Ti both under human rights and under the immigration rules no. The oya ketwa wo mu no. Se still order so ya ketwa betimi ahwe. I'm assuming say the wewu no awo for ba akono so any omo life I'll bet me a documenting so bet me idea 12 years adoption a part but very expensive and also be go through the court process. I'll bet me a custody order under the Children Act of Ghana. Now it's me the akola na ba.
Me wo voice note ba ko ewo ha nti me ba na me de aba na fe mo abo me ama yede any of the lawyers can pick it up. Me person will be a because and a good day and it's good say yet a lot of testimonies from Ekrofo. So we share Facebook page now. People are writing testimonies praising BWF solicitors near there. Yeah, that munyina asing. So ubetimi afra bomodin na afra ubetimi so asende voice note afabra mebo say meba bebo we die
Hello lawyer, good evening. Good me chia ni wetie fo ne ne oni ni omo di dwuma ni nyina. Na my question am pese me busa ne se me ba e wo 23 wo Ghana ma start se me kofa no me EU member na mum no kure wum se documents no me hwe se niema kakra e yi kakra enti na me pese me hu se in case omo reject a once ama ye deda no se deadline ni twemu a metimi asan ye fresh application ana. And my second question, so DNA so expiring a year na expire na. My question I'm open and this will be me aboa me. Into where mami 2 minutes na me samra back because of audio na me na bia na wan some question no man ti why me da se pa nyame shira bye bye.
Okay, what they buy 2 minutes na pa ho nti sa time. Into the team. Mami,
Okay, so in terms of the second question, no say does DNA expire or not? DNA expire into where DNA nature say if a or family member, and no, it never has an expiry date. And he says in terms of nebano with the 23 or per se or home boy na neba. We share regulation 2016 Wobana or above the age of 21 no a dependent child. Although which is a direct relative under your regulation 7 no sa akolano a dependent child inside so share dependency yaka dependency then yeka dependency no ebe to me a financial dependency it also means say at least in terms of money transfers, for instance, sa kolano transfer sika komana or the year there or the year in terms of maybe an school komu or the tuition fees yemo be here for school resources ne eduano bedi ne kika hono sa sika na ode man no no ode year. If for instance baby ebia akola net crampo no una wotua rent una wotua bibia no obetumi actually say baby ote no una wotua ehonka it can also be social as well inti ebia odinedi nkomo efa WhatsApp so ana say messenger na say whichever social media platform ana say phone so friend no that can also count as dependency. There are different case laws in terms of dependency, including limb and reason, which is that at least that financial support is there. You are socially dependent on papa ne and DNA at least a shared family relationship. As much as possible the DNA evidence of dependency, whether it be money remittance, school fees receipts, letter from the school confirming say name papa no say no tia akolani school fees. It could be even medical receipts to show say akolani hospital or papa na it's your medical bills and then obviously make the application on that basis say or papa no asheno ABR from 2015 up to this time or papa na asheno sa ABC sign ray. And see, yes, those are the kind of documents that are over here for the dependency application.
So advice we him pa na benya apart from here. But okay cases ni ade nyina ekoma BWF Solicitors na omuni actually emfa emma. We were question back what high in your be day about number ending in 864. Or say how long does it take for Home Office to approve entry clearance from Ghana after they wrote to withdraw their earlier decision in court? They stated it takes 8 weeks and won't come a bit early. How long does it take?
Madam Cynthia, oh yes, entry clearance.
Well, although they usually state 8 weeks, honestly, it can take longer than 8 weeks. I would say it depends on their case load at the time. If they are very busy, obviously, I think it will take more than 8 weeks. If they are not, and you are lucky, it can be less than 8 weeks. So, you know, I wouldn't say there is a specific time limit for it, but, you know, depending on the case load at the time.
At the time. Now, I know that I say more paper.
Implementation to
yeah. Na mo did the kakra na just they know bit of it mo dey think won pa. Me say me nya bibia akra ndi ho dance here and see there. So I stand the letter be na choir. Straight away they came to apologize to. Anyway, Marvin Collins, so 0208-123-1016. Hello.
Oh, hello. Good evening.
Good evening.
Braka kumitsha no abeja phone na.
Yeah, Joe, so that's say.
Yeah, mama afi champagne so.
I think come to you.
Na sami me nya asa kunya ya me nya ye. Me na so na me dia da BWF SOLICITORS for Africa.
Okay.
I would my part mo ye e my community and na situ yangana so. We dia no question kakra na me pese you be kakra.
Okay.
If I say me EU, I'm sick of my age. Now, my coffee me papa Abba. There 2 days ago. I'm touching me. That's me. This is say.
What the crab shy away?
Are you? Where the day? Now, is it possible say you bet me you bet me switching a visa, now dependency visa, now say I'm not sure, but I'm just asking if we decide no harm, yes me I'm mano say waha.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, my friends, yeah.
Yo, young share EU ye in Krata Sem no se okofo biba sena ACT procedure no ene CCA no ACT. Yo o kofa o ka also kofa o papa every Ghana ba. Ye be man no 6 months.
Patron.
O di be room. Inti sa 6 months no di be room no. Oh, Mammy Musa said, why you use settlement scheme Libya now?
Patron, I am my baby.
Good. Yeah. Inti Wababe Remuno. Obe to me, I EU settlement scheme Libya. Amano. Why?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Inti we mana sir because on the want to have more than 5 years, you know. Obenya be a friend of pre-settled. Why?
Great Excel.
Pre-settled.
Pre-settled. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Yo, Mate. Yami da sibe brave.
Miss me da sipi. Yami insure. Koso ane tiye wa.
Inshallah.
Yami adon. Yabasa share view 0208-123-1016. And I say o text me o WhatsApp no ebeba 07950422780. I'm set. Me wa. I think this voice not to be played. Okay. Question we also say, bless you. Please, can you enlighten me on any application I can do? Maybe a conference and with the 6 months visa ne buy. Matnemwa Mroswa 4 years. I got married to my wife on the 29th of August this year, who just had her indefinite right to live in the UK. She came with her parents from Italy. Is there any way I can apply for a permit without going back home to Ghana? Can you help?
Well, I mean, first of all, no, one chere ne partner no na certain how they work romo and so you're European and they're easy because your spouse. Then one is or your pre-settled application. No. Now, mo dia mano, dia yewo obetimi dia mobile phone so na obetimi your internet so.
Okay.
Say you're British, then it becomes a problem. I just say be a collab. Now the requirement for insurmountable obstacle no. So akwara woman omo guidance no signature say akwara na British and answer what na 7 years or under 18 enu so timi boa although say we partner application no we use EX1 B na what the aye but again no ni nyina agina obi circumstance are different sa EU ade timi ma wo switch it say we ha legally we ha legally or ha with visitors we have with visitors no. Say, what worry EU need that answer na December next year, that's fine. But I think I will be worrying there. Just be mindful, sir. Or worry EU need after the 31st of December. Yeah, they all call immigration rules, you know. So which means I will say EU need year Jumenya 6 18 6. I will say we are English, you know. ni nyinaa ɛyɛ requirement ɛbɛma wo 2.5 yɛ ma wo 5 years to say EU ni no nti ɛyɛ important sɛ obi ɛwɔ ne dɔfo a sorry ma mo akɔ council ne nneɛma no nti aware na chicha ka kyerɛ sɔfo no sɛ ɔntwi break kakra na ɔma wo nkotintim ink ɛwɔ council hɔ ana yɛnya wɔ efie ade no ɔmo yɛ wɔ fie ho ade no de to hɔ koraa na me susu sɛ Ghana for no bi be abuse no ti bedu baabi no yɛbɛka sɛ woni evidence aware na wo de egu statutory declaration wo yɛ no sa date na wo so wo yɛ you suspect sɛ wo yɛ no after December enti prove ti sɛ yɛn because wo hwɛ yɛ Ghana yɛ law na wo hwɛ yɛ evidence decree a ɔse obi obɛyɛ allegation on any matter bia wo na wo sɛ wo prove enti wo se ma ware a wo na wo sɛ wo prove sɛ date say no me ware enti mesrɛ mo yɛ a first no ne mbisa mo record and go na even after 3, 4, 5 months even 1 year crop so use or bit me use December no ensu kwa but ware no I will say a see and son of December naba you can't wait because we can see the difficulties are and crofo ebi o ma worry before end of December no still no o mo challenge o mo say engine because ya worry no record be any ho the wo watch no was statutory declaration and no near the year or registration or Ghana although say registration no under the Marriage Act of 1827 to 1985 and a near requirement no yet no a important so be record be at all and no na e ma utimi ebe useful for immigration so Ghana na we use the any our witnesses wo o nyina be di adase sampa ye ware o dase but because we use either the British High Commission and our entry clearance port no and also we use UK no mo started record sa the mo friend engagement the friend engagement the friend if you are customary marriage no mo started na mo record with video timed say na be ya wo ball video na ye be hu say date say na we e be man abo apa
okay enja kra me be call one of your favorites Antobam me ne Antobam di enko ba na sana no mo me call line so na me fa the free na yene no entwetwe komo enti Antobam na najimai na afei Ezekiel Johnson well nya betre me ba because one kasa me be frame ne edinko how you became pocket lawyers and the rest of it but the one man so hello
It's a BWF Mama official po.
I'm just me ba. I'm from City just me ba na me ma mi.
Yes, I'm our official pa ya dofo.
Me pa mo cho we de me hia mo akakra na me bisa mama boa me. Me pa cho ye frame me Fidelia na me yi uni me kwese me de me brother ba or 19 years. Na me pa cho na mo ka me bisa e free sa bre ko si December no. Who person we extended family we na. I just we see December. Na last time so na lawyer Patrick can be say implementation period bi wo ho e June. Inti person me who still metimi aye me an application no. And I say after December 31st no metimi aye application.
Yo, I mean first of all him unua aye extended family member. No 31st of December and kwa homachimpo 11 p.m. ni twemasa se oni hadada ana wonje visa no ma na dada ana wonye an application we are a automatic refusal because more mandatory requirement be a friend a specified document oni eno ebe family permit and a residence card to wo enua bi a wo ya all those advices se munye DNA ngo ho e wo se wo prove se wa hwede ne ma no obetimi the application atum sisi a na wo book appointment a wo appointment na kwa chire kakra na watobo ase aye DNA na gather sa na ema ni nyina na odi akọ ye de mu ye bia enua anase wofa ase wofa ne sa na ema antis ne ema no omo nyina no e wo se mo ye no before December June die no aye EU for na e wa ha no by June no I was some apply for pre-settled and the settled status no 1 year from that time no kono baba be illegal so be deport okay abe ha dwene so bi a watena ha be 3-4 years na ye ba be deport te no na ye June no implementation period no ana ye from ene e dey 31st of December June wo ho pasa wo eba wo kun wo yere wo ena wo nana wo nana san crofo no de anytime bia witimi de won ba se ne no oye wukun ana oye wo yere oye wo maame wo papa oye wo ba if you akola obe wo no outside the cry no after that time no betimi de na ba eye important some of ma ya hye no so December efa extended family members ho ena omo ebe ware foforo but enuanom ne niema no nyina no December eba ena eja ekun anytime be after December still betimi de na ba.
Okay. Never without sipping, in shop. You. Because so on the BWF solicitors who the runa amount for so empty. Not it you, Kai say, women be between 4 and 6 p.m. Now, the very tail end of this program, we were minianum section 4, they were Dijuma war radio, I hold was so you were click beer, you say. So you can't idea because you intimate more clients and come on this. We have some more Kasashi. Now my tay, Ewaha, and our fee prophets, Sibre, and so in Sa ever come. And you tea surprise me. But make call Wales. You will near be Ewaha. Sabi. Your program be Emma on message that. No ankasa edini juma e wo the shop e wo ye Wales amanfo nyina enim no e no ese ono so tu no ho asio se o de beboa BWF solicitors NT2 jumedi a yedi e wo radio anase media mu na atimi aboa amanfo ama omo atimi agina yi na ure ya meka no wasem se the question never to ho a obeka se ye frank ben buku no mu well team na aye Antoba
Kago
Afisha pa
fen komete
Wa Antoba me de ya ne de ma o bodi
ai medi ankasa Nana Kofi Ofori Boate
Nana Kofi Ofori Boate
no pacho
and I cannot come home
ai
you say Ebano BWF solicitors we one apostle into me and you will influence. Everybody say
I'm say
sir and I retire
retirement them say I can be retire and I'm in no when you retire you already
oh come to some retire tentum
yeah, I think it's a new video.
Okay, you Yami inshallah. You la Richard, I mean say then I will catch up to him. Answer now about
yeah, Wells assemblyman I'm say ready yeda was para say wabana woni abedin kita ho ne adwuma pa wodi I'm so recently we invite him any Wells for the kita ho na it was very very fruitful discussion nti yeda was na I'm say instructions na wo hono so me di ho dwuma me say na say ya na osu wunya me nti no I'm say na makakra bi atochima but yo ho thank you very much na ye hwe ni mu say ye be share new year no yeda separa.
Okay. Me samo in broadcast no interrupt kakra. Say in your little hitch, but you're saying aba and nti obetimi afre yen bio awo 020812310118. But you say see what fast okay, member mo divine. They are not registered under my name in the UK. If let we decide to do it, would it be a problem? You know their nationality. Mimo baby ahuba binim say. Again, nipa no wabeye EU settlement scheme ewa. Na the oy ne ma a no mo ewo ekro mo so no. Kwala no oye settlement scheme no wamfa omodin anka ne de no ho. And nti ase nkwala no akansinsemu ɛno saa no ɔbɛyɛ dɛ
well sir ɔmo yɛ ne wɔfa ase no mu a na wɔsɛ ɔkyerɛ
ɔno yɛ ɔno ne mma na me na wɔsɛ me kwala ne yɛ me wɔfa ase
ɔyɛ EU ni na listen woba yɛ woba deɛ obi wɔ hɔ a ɔba ha aya sɛbi form a ɔfɛre no otwa ntrɔ wɔ so sɛ oniba obi du wɔ ha na ne mma bia mmiɛnsa na obi aka kyerɛ sɛ wontumi form mma wobɛtumi deɛ ɔma ba sɛ akwala na ɔyɛ application no ɔno na sɛm ne yɛhwɛ ɛnyɛ wo enti sɛ obi atwa ntrɔ koraa ɛnyɛ akwala no na watwa ntrɔ enti once ɛyɛ wo ba no sɛ wobɛtumi approve sɛ ɛyɛ wo ba sɛ wowɔ mo wɔ ha problem no wowɔ mo wɔ Ghana na ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ DNA no na yɛtumi ɛde ɔmo ba
nti sɛ wɔ European country biara mu a ɛnyɛ problem
problem biara ne ho obɛtumi de ɔmo ba without the DNA because European country ɔmo recording system no te sɛ yɛn
na sɛ kwala na di more than 20
so ɔmo di 21 ɔmo di 30 40 50 once ɔmo yɛ ne mma no sɛ woyɛ above 21 from the age of 21 I was so kyerɛ sɛ woyɛ dependent enti deɛ yɛhu sɛ mistakes a ayɛ home office for no ɛyɛ ne sɛ Obana, in fact, we did 21 years and 6 months. 6 months per evidence. Now, what's what they call? Because first 21, no, no. You saw you depend. And see, from the age of 20 fine, say, you know.
I mean, call for the very last one. Na for MPJ, matter womb. Also. Ije wo no ko fi ko hwe obukuru no na ankasa kwaku aje omo tira ya pacho Christmas never no nti I won't delay anybody wa homa no so
hello
yes sir
ko vi anto bam ni
adwa
wait the question be we
what say what the dance ya na tumpa o obi anto no buntie question o de bato we ka se fi an ko be adwa we ko
Kwa me passion be se me busa se obi aba ha na obedi eduro na obedi eduro no ya man no 5 years na o peso o sia ni nipa be ma bi so okrom ha na be ma no so nipi na be ma no so omo mi enu peso omo ware mema mi enu
no peso omo ware
omo peso omo ware ekrom ade ekwa kuso ni je timi ware ntino
men ka we ni
Etiro only the person who are na bakona when you kata no 5 years na a possible say or temporal you know obetumi aware be man okruma na anasa just onya settlement answer
well Kofi Antobam first of all no say we share our requirements under appendix FM now one of the requirements is nipa na ono kofa niku ana na yiri aba na ogina tena ha no I was settlement. The only difference I be started from January no EU for. And it's a nipa no ye refugee or a mao 5 years and yes settlement. Ana refugee be and wuni settlement nipa obetimi de na ba be under the family reunion and ye obi ana ye wuku dada na wo yere ansa na wo bakromo new family a wa form after so bakromo ano ubetimi agye omo atena ha time awo wire settled onye settled into ntimi ntina ha
yo
okay yes yeah that CP every for the entire ever kwakoso ano no bo picture na so na say die na end na bi ho ya wunya nka wo beto aso na wa for mu bi ato aso the BWF Solicitors dream no when it to cry you beto aso because 2020 even though we had challenges, we had problems, we had issues, people losing their jobs, marriages having challenges, people dying, God has been gracious unto us to bring us thus far. And then the very last day of the year, and our last Saturday of the year, be a mobeti and car for this program, unless of course I could bear the kind of could have been Saturday. And then meet me but that not happening. No, it might be the last one we having for the year 2020. Yes, a penny we are not in Sue Asa and Meko staff no so back na afei yɛde nkɔmmɔ no aba na wie ɛdɛn ɛna mobɛka atwa akyiri na afei yɛde asɔre. Papa wei deɛ wo baeɛ na yɛyɛ awie nti anurases money seat. The other officer, I can't turn away. The accountant didn't come today, and he's looking after the money somewhere. Boss, how are you?
I'm good.
Good. Thank you. Me, I'm not a stranger to you, but to people who come in here and you support them, I know they are so very happy to have you do what you do. What would you tell them?
Well, I would tell them that we have a brilliant lawyers here. They do their best all the time. They stay behind, and I'm just happy to help everyone. So every time I come in, I put in 110%. So I would tell them to come here so that we can take care of them. That's what I can say.
That is so reassuring. Come and we'll take care of you. Okay, Mabi, and then I'll be catching the pastor.
I can say a tear for your best singer Damasibio, my bebre, no my 2020 and years back and so my dear chi ma nimdia kakra sabe a lawyer for no war and a support kakra sabe yes you between their support one more appreciating so much so well say epena eboro adwene nenti aseso because today be na adwuma na ewo ha no obadwen say overwhelming say and a law firm be a new chrome here because it keeps coming. 2020 said Mrs. Tapening can say law firms be torn on yet there wasn't a single day our baby is always bubbly and bustling. What you know where I want to say na never can say a nyamia dum bi arakwa because I know pe biara ye frey ye nyame me gidi so obi awo ni nyame osomo na yende ye frey yan ye nyame ma odenensa kan akoma denensa kan lawyer funi ti ma wan dwene nyansa ene moa ebro so na mwedi yen achi masabi 2020 day ne ho nsunsuanso retwam a ne ebe kan ne se etiefo wo asabe wo bibi film wo a wo hwiri bibi wo a bibi film nsa wo a wadwuma bɔɔwo ananso se bibi si a na enya wo de no ni nyina sani ame boss di kankan no akwan nyina mu yemfa na asemanyame na yenhwe ne 2021 ono nso de reba me gidi so on de obeyi kakra so anya ye kra so pa ye wani da so se nyame be kra ye to say odi em beko afenawie ntimi mo bibia official pa me ma mo nyina ye ntiri nkwa me mo bia enkwatenten ene adom ne nyansa me mo official po
agwen obi abonte ya mo fa de drum ro Wow. In fact, I was at one of the county courts, no one can Yabutani and Kaya Casa. One knows yes, you. Ufi. Okay.
You brought it to me that I say. It's here for any lawyer client. The Munia say, my brain, I must spend time with us. Kakra Meka Etratoni say, BWF SOLICITORS, yeah. Just say, you can't compare with us. Your senior partner, Benalusu, just say, I've upon their mano, and ni bibi anyansa nyankopon de man ni bibi anti yanso so ode sa anyansa no so amaye ma ye adwuma na ye adwuma no nya kama more than 100%. We make sure say ye bibia ye be bia eso eni enti no bika kameka hwe mo ne say more amo any immigration issues, any family issues, more any legal matters bia mo bia no munya hope nya we shi mo say mo de ba hase e betimi aya mama so me person me wish you now so Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Next year so the Yankopon di be try da muni ase.
Chocolate in your Ghana chocolate. That's the only law firm, and I'll keep saying it. That's the only law firm that you go, you get Ghana chocolate, and it's the best top chocolate. Where's wrong?
Yes, my dear.
You mind?
Yo, to ebo na one Daniel. One Daniel she ke de ability she dey. No more den che ekwa wono ni e ka we ba na agbe. Tomboni wo senior partner Uncle Ben echo here ewie. E ga first school e ka che Ghana lawyer say mo ko sunu ake cases ya de machine men enyo no drum na one Daniel she akenye he nye he wonye yi. Ni nye kenye cases ba bi ene ni nyo drum na wonyo deliver ho. Ewo BNA Ghana BP spare your BNA where you are be where you are guy be where you are papini be ke tree ke bluffo ewo ke bluffo ngbona no nyo yue ko ba mko ke ye ni ba boboto ni ba glasa ni emi fe ni nyo dro na no fe no ba hi ewo once again nke won danyeshi ni afia ya ni afia bani na we ko nesi ebene wokenye ba agbasa na eku onye fe nye hi achi ojumbo ojogba nu chole ke jole anye fe tra umanye aba
yeah
every language that is spoken in Ghana is understood and spoken here. And Maninya say in a say Article 16 but you want a P, you want a guy, you want a Hausa, and I ever Inina Ewo. But BWF solicitors, Omo and a two Kasa Ase, Momoya Wadi no more. Men can't to say, me say, and Conco said. None will be KCB or day by I think lawyer Patrick and the hand there say will be say or 2.5 years or quack renew lawyer be so on wind rush application quack sending you but and Yamani will create any part of Yafo so lawyer can be champion there because I didn't know what's not but what the BWF solicitors are EBCC why teaching Kofubi or Montegana near Manase. Because he had Ghana for first. Beyond that, any other chunk of Fuku, but I no crown, almost struggle. That is what BWF solicitors will do for you. Now, Francis?
Yes, sir.
You mean?
Yo, Dedi kan de aseda kese be ma otwede ampo nyankopon se wahwe so wama yen epanyine Uncle Ben ahande and as a team team ya deliver and a biom so aseda kese koma yetiefo ene your presenters radio say ya mo maleti you review I'm giving up my time. Yeah, so Timbia yetimide update ne immigration assembly family ne almost all aspects of the law my for keeping them going in this country. There yes Nyankopon say afia eba be remu 2021 so be so na wasandi akọ asa say afi se be say share mu no ne dey aseda ma no the medibeka ama for say mo hwe mo so ye still our covered leaders wo ho no na there ni say obo ho by now follow government guidance protocols na at least bibia be ko ye bronya so ye be di ni kama ye mama official pa I think comment to ye
Nana akotsa camera ne machines na Baba, make sure Patrick, say Bano, yen technical near mana, ono and a chop to Muma, now for so I could better Daruma, we in the fit, see what the number what's happening for the frozen?
Why?
And then I do I feel
right, okay. I think say abujafo na ka dodo na ntino meme de no enye bibi different the kind of say yeda yen community na ase because they are community lawyers na almost ntine e wo ntino yebeda o ase say Phoebe Brainy 28 years your penny or shase omone no edi mfibo mu saa bepem saa bre ya yesoso yetietia na namu kakra still na no omunja yechi ntino yeda o ase omunkukrai saa ya wo shomo Merry Christmas obi bia afi bibi etechma ankoyi e wo wasesena mu no ebonya mempa ese afi a yebesi mu no enya afi papa e ma woni wabusia santene nyina na serebeya nyame beya adom na odi nyina obeso nsa wa kakrakra e de atwa afi nti nyame hira obi bia nyame hira ye team no nyame hira Uncle Ben ene obusiene nyina nyame hira ya maame Mrs. Owusu me sure say by this time or here nti no nyame hira no I think say and the support any ni bibia ka ho ene de aba be du empempenso ayedu onsu so yebu se ne da bia o ye no ye nkwala ye tiare na so otwa to kakra bi that is ko ene nti no e da se oroku osu so no nyame hira I think say adwuma no so ne hihye ne tutu ni bibia mu no na obi tie kira ohun de e koso but I think that your program a year before na and then there was a message do you want a feature on as well yeah wow DIY partner you know and then it's not different over the way the family in Aba now you know we a technical person also doing chiame multitasking doing all of the things now that is a yenim mapa nyame edie and you are using it really well nyame nkoso inshallah na ubetimi aboa community no e dia kon cancer na we de bia nyame inshallah biti no mana hono sa no bila sipi Mavides
hello
so say ka hello no okay so tell me no but so then I do jai
oh me ni bibia bebe ka to say na mu ni na anwa ka mu de no I think say Meda Ubia Ase, I think this is a year that we can truly say yeah, Danyamiase because of what has happened, and we know say Nyamenkwa and a bit crying na era 2021 anymore. And see Yenda so and Danyamiase for whatever situation you find yourself in, no, you name say in de so ebeba. Into Yamamuna Afishapa.
I think committee I say na one day. When you hold 2 hours and communicating around you, let me tap into your experience and wealth of knowledge. I mean, and thanks for the update. Kadaje, I do so. I don't think right. We mami ndi misinya kakra. Aha, back on the same. Atayefo. But you did
well, senior radio, I'm the me penny for the kind and no, yeah, that yeah, clients in the community, no, yeah, that must support and more or more a day a boy all the years now will continue a day a boy. Maternity say your mom Merry Christmas in advance. Now you're born person a couple more home by now on fire in Korea the next year in him. Tinamia Duma said, okay, say we near be last one for the year, no. Yeah, she said, "Nyame be my kwena." Nyame ya duma New Year no, eno aba so na say it's from Rainbow the other side no so nyame ya duma general no ye nemo be di enhia mo. Thank you.
All right. Uncle Ben, beyond Ene and in the year 2021, 2022. Until God says stop it. 1, BWF solicitors are here called 2, especially in communication wing, with the vision. If I tell you, listeners and viewers, the commitment, there was no equipment that I said, let's buy that. He said, no, don't. Shasia kakra say BBC bechen na omuchen equipment. It's a knowledge, experience, commitment, and the love for the whole thing. See, me are communicating well to the community, educating one so well. Will be by the council on why an application. That is one of the reasons why we do what we do on radio and on TV.
Well, Kweku Emsa Dodona Wonyamensa na nimdie ayade nyame de che. Enti bisa ni nimdie adwen ene nyansa. Ano ne yebisa. BWF your long-term plan. Emsa you share BWF as 2006 no. Na ade a mehu wo community nim ne se wona was start abrabodada a wo pese wo be yemra no na wo ho kire mo kakra ti onya ba bi nko onya training contract onya firm kra ko experience wo a obehye ho saa entina de da mani no so no say your community no ye betimi ye be training your lawyers na omabe ye bebre na omaboa community no because bibia enso ani se nipa na odi wasem o te culture ase sabio ka kire bro ni se ma ware ne ye wo dem ana akire ye ko register on ti ase anya de obeti ase but se wanya wo lawyer o te wo culture na ase o tumi explain it better me tie yam se Cynthia be ka kire ye nya instructions from is it Northern Ireland omonte Ghana ware na ase and a divorce no enti yes Mr. Wusu kire yen say na ware any divorce it e ba konso I go probate or high court or city firm in person bomudi o ma instruct yen enti for us no the benefit of your culture na your dia be ka mra no I think it's not just producing lawyers, it's producing very competent lawyers of integrity and no ana ye pese ye koso eye ebium ye pese ye be produce lawyers na ne dia hye dem ye pese be produce lawyers na no ma tre omonsa amana so community ni nyina ewo UK ahanyina be bia anything you use social media no it's very likely say you be expanding more na yet me aye even more days and I permanent fixture every minute of the 24 hours bia no na bia bibi boa obi betimi ata point eno wo ho na de ehuhia dodo no ye de abrochire abagana ye de Ghana aba abrochire sa concept no and say you started 3 years ago but now and you're very active because ni yemu bi ni ho sesia no starting from now no yemu bi wo ho enti say obi person ye divorce e wo Ghana obi eto asase o say bi Uncle Ben ana say lawyer Richard ana lawyer Francis me to asase wo Ghana yes say e wo Winneba me pa chaw mo wo ho minim sam wo Ghana mo nko di akire maye ana say obi eya ware wanya marriage certificate osio lawyer Ben ansa na ya den beba na mo wo Ghana ntimo hwe maye enti saade no wo ho na de twa to nyina no ye bompa say ye benya emma representation as lawyers enti you know ye produce bi ebi ba ebi guso ba ebi guso ba ebi guso ba sa pillars ya mabo 3 pillars enti training the community, producing lawyers for the community 1 2 extending the quality legal representation into Ghana 2 and 3 ensuring that there's female representation in the community law and also 3 pillars. And I think the sub pillar me person me can communication is to extending the brand into social media. You be extending no and maybe producing 24 hours programs obetimi tap into every time a legal programmer obetimi advice.
BWF Solicitors senior opening kind one of the things you do home and it's you betimi standalone program. We do point we said also no 24 hours ubete BB and maybe let me drop it. we'll get to the point where artificial intelligence, you can pose your question and the answer will come immediately, as BWF solicitors would have put it. But Nina no, someone support it, more and dear children, and now someone young come one in the year. Ezekiel, but show me what WhatsApp message you have. Ezekiel Johnson. I'm sorry.
He's our Ghana rep in Scotland and a Reverend Minister also.
Best show ever. So blessed. I was hoping to come on the show and speak my Ghana, but Auntie Cynthia represented us live. Auntie, I was here for. Said I come from beginning. I can't thank you enough. BWF solicitors for me. Name dear. May I meet me the other one say. All I would say, Uncle Ben, is I promise my unrivaled loyalty to yourselves. Say, a baby I'm here say, me the goal and the target and objective that we have. I'm ready to do it because the city of Fruity Apa in your piano. But the other crowds so one Fruity more do a piano abetiato. I am committed to it. Thank you so very much. Mambi, Mami Yuda, Cynthia, Joa, and we shall for a couple in Madam Wansi. Diana, why late to travel to? The woman has it to say there. I borrowed you for 2 hours. I am done. Thank you so very much.
My men so menda ye team nase na de bia ye ka team se ba ku free mo na tosin na menuanom me wofo asenom me ma omo na oma so adwuma yi mu enti se even ye mu ba ku ni akra na fele no papa se omu ni ha
and I say utako Ghana ba
so I'm a Ghana for the abrochira ba Ghana and the Ghana ba abrochira no so man omo smile me no se me ko gina omo na omo dwuma no ba ya timi aya no eno na ya sha ase no enti ya da omo se fiti Cynthia Beatrice Ajoa Adai what to say machine sabi o crash ni a ubisan bibia ompoponiti ye dana se ade ba lawyers no so Eunice Richard Francis and Patrick and so ye da o mase oba ba kwa me pesa me dana se titru so eye manye 10 ana manye t sana mo frɛ no or you need to I'm say
with your permission, Mama, me introduce you on the set.
Okay. Diana, be careful you don't push the camera down.
Oh,
I don't GN Radio, I'm say free or no na transition no na but was so you move managina. Enti aseda kese pa ekoma no oye adoye and chere Ghana for because kwaku ade ayankrofo hu no se ye wonkrofo community ma omo bra oniska ode ko bia oniska ode ko tua lawyer oniska ode yehwe ti sa programs you tietia na ye no kranko ade menka program ayanka no kranko but sa niema na omo ka no ye no kranko ade a na my advice papa nye advice for usika brand me can be keke and you know I mean we see a lot of those and really know what I'm saying but what I'm saying is say advice ya de mano aye quality na be ma obi etimi aye na dwuma ni nyina agina wo so manyati ne Reverend Sabrin omunyina ni omo maba ekonyina Edomas yada Dr. Marcus Dr. Ren yadanas yada Indumas miya bisa David amse wakopi Ghana kakra omunyina ana DJ Darling J omunyina yadomas ye bompa se afisisi na bibia to yi ma covid no yɛhuro no ma no kɔkoraa na yɛafa yɛ ntoma pa ɛfra ama yɛde abɛtena yɛda mo ase sɛ mokɔ so ɛdi akyi yɛdɔ mo na yɛbɛkɔ so asom mo daa.
Just a moment, I responded to BWF Solicitors, Uncle Ben. On behalf of you were the communication wing of project.
GN radio na one Uncle Ben but before nanka or baby I tia and say or the BPO and or two a bono at the mammy na or catch a mention of Miss Name they say Miss Met me a boy community no ain't no say Banny say Uncle Ben Basso and any of the colleagues in the banner many or more ya. Maybe and I may do heaven at that. I mean, they say, Miss community. Now it's all about the community. Into no meso me dinner young communication team. Now, yes, we are Damasi. Or what, just a more may me say no. Me tea more na me the year, maybe. Into no, me did this sound so now. Who been so wait see so many years new from Rainbow from radio for be I be do yenso ain't no Uncle Ben any BWF Solicitors yenso yedamase na yebeyire ye ho afia ye komi yebesise mo nso na baby a yebehwe ye to sin ana ne anko yie senior say ye no ne ade nyina yebesensen ho na ya hwese ne a yebetumi e de amode foforo ene kese a hyem afia ye remo tie yedamase.
I was here for a fiaso, yes, in your war. She said, "You be Bruno, Amano, I de IFL." Share 2020, sir, I'm Fashia Ma, actually in Yansa. But before can be said, oh, Pabuatia, now Nantias. Share December 2019 from Wuhan, China. A rumor not started to say about it. Nobody took it serious. Nobody. We thought, oh, we could nip it in the bud, and that was the end of the story. But, Uncle Banasa, I'm not saying, sir, you're more important than Omo and said you're more free. But we have found grace as the eyes of God. We must be very careful and to keep loving each other. Replan your work strategies and do things differently, and you succeed. Sabi, I'm telling you this. I decided not to do media again. I'm a break. But on one Thursday afternoon, on my way driving back from work, I can't send me. I said, Lawyer Richard, may catch you. I said, why? Why have you left this space? You still have something to do. Come back. Whatever it is that you have, start with the legal bit and do whatever you want, extending from there. Whatever equipment, whatever investment, I'll do it for you. One can say I'll do it for my company, I'll say I'll do it for you. That made me change my mind. And from the 1st of September up to this point, when it gets to Friday evening, Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, I don't think of anything but the community. Let us all help, because a bedroom point to be no be doing one dance here. That's what Nipani do one dance here we are. We share with your mail. COVID here and she may say that's bubble. I feel confident in this bubble because nobody is afraid of it. We all keep the protocols and we are safe. It's like I'm going from my bedroom to my living room. It's safe. Because almost the way they do things, and they are following rules and doing it right. The community and the law. Next year, Sabi yenye immigration kwa, yenye social services kwa, yenye. But there are certain things in the community that we need to know from lawyers' perspective. Opportunities are all. It is a metnasi na with the resource person from within or from without a bar. Patrol, share the page. Let us broadcast it, and we'll all benefit. Once again, remember COVID is real. Keep safe. Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2021. BWF Solicitors advert na intro na yemfa and sorry. You are able to back be answer.
BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. BWF Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects.
Seda, I refrain when nipa ho, and so damn in payane se, mi remfi papa waya me, esiane kajanya sedo.
All right, so let's do this. I'll say, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Young boy, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. It's a dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells of a will ring, a making spirit bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh song tonight, young boy. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Now we are bringing the song home. Listen to the song. I say, Mummy him, Afia to Yepio. Ochina ya Yesu awoda ene wapata. Hey, mumye him, afiato yembio. Ochina ya Yesu awoda obiara ka ubi yankwe. Mumye him, afiato yembio. Ochina ya Yesu awoda ene wapata. Hey, mumye him, afiato yembio. Ochina ya Yesu awoda obiara ka yemkoni bimse mumei afiatu yembio. Ochina ya Yesu awoda ene wapata. Hey, mumei afiatu yembio. Ochina ya Yesu awoda obiara ka ubi. Mese kofause kaimra bra chapere bra yempenya achi yebe fresh and then ye wapata eh yebe mo fine and home yeshem and so wana juwe ye. Oh my God, it's so tall there ye bra. Okay afiatu yembio. Ochina ya Yesu awoda ene ye wapata. Mumei afiatu yembio. Ochina ya Yesu awoda obiara ka ubi. Mese kofause kaimra bra chapere bra yempenya achi yebe fresh and ye wapata eh yebe mo fine and home yeshem and so wana juwe ye. Oh my God, it's so tall there ye bra. Mumei afiatu yembio. Ochina ya Yesu awoda ene ye wapata. Mumei afiatu yembio. Ochina ya Yesu awoda obiara ka ubi. On the first day of Christ, that's what you gave to me. A party in a baby. So on the second day of Christ, that's what you gave to me. Fire nyawamo and a party in a baby. So on the third day of Christ, that's what you gave to me. Fanta ne katie. Fire nyawamo and the party in a baby. So on the fourth day of Christ, Masmatula gave to me. God on your bed, Fanta ne katie. Fire nyawamo and the party in a baby. Day 5 on the fifth day of Christ, Masmatula gave to me. Young friend, go to be ready. And the party in the baby. Day 5 on the fifth day of Christ, Masmatula gave to me. Young friend, go to the sing on your and the party in the baby. So we are doing the song again. This time we are doing it with you. So I'll mention the items, then you can sing along. So of course, day 1, a partridge in a pear tree. Let's try it. On the first day of Christmas, Masmatula gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. Day 2, Paya, any amamo, Paya, any amamo. Sewa. On the second day of Christmas, Masmatula gave to me young friend. Paya, any amamo, and a partridge in a pear tree. Day 3, Fanta and Katie. Let's try. On the third day of Christmas, Masmatula gave to me young friend. Fanta and Katie. Paya, any amamo, and a partridge in a pear tree. Day 4, hot on your vampire. On the fourth day of Christmas, Masmatula gave to me. God on your vampire. Fanta and Katie. Paya, any amamo, and a partridge in a pear tree. Almighty day 5. So listen to the 5. Kontombe, Chingom, Alewa, and Katie, and the Kokwaya Pato. Popularly known as Kofi Brookman. So let's try the 5. On the fifth day of Christmas, Masmatula gave to me young friend. Go to me, sing on your little Katie, and the party in a baby. Day 5. 5. Sure. On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me young bride. To me, sing on. Sing on, Yalewanga, Timmy, go fire. And the party in the bed. Now we are going to try day 5 a cappella. I want to hear you. Day 5. Let's say, on the 5th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me young bride. Sing on.